Hey there, welcome back. Are you struggling to get enough protein in your diet? In this video, I share 6 simple ways on how you can get more protein into your diet so that you can stop the sugar cravings and reach your weight loss goals. So let's get into what is protein anyways. Protein is a macronutrient that is essential to our health. Our bodies depend on it to build and repair muscles. It's important for healthy bones, regulating hormones, and making enzymes for proper digestion. We need protein for our bodies to function at their best. Eating adequate amounts of protein can also improve metabolism, satiety, and blood sugar. So let's get started with tip number 1. Rethink your snack. Instead of just having a piece of fruit for a snack, try peanut or nut butter as a dip for apple or celery slices, or as a spread on whole grain crackers. Hard-boiled eggs with a dash of pepper are also a great high-protein snack. What happens is people get into the cycle of waiting many hours between meals, then they feel so hungry and end up stuffing themselves. We're more likely to make bad food choices when we're famished. Snacking helps keep you satisfied. It stabilizes blood sugar, which will help maintain energy throughout the day so that you aren't starving and making poor decisions at your next meal. So it's actually healthy to snack, and the research shows this. A study at the University of Wales showed that women who ate healthy snacks throughout the day had a better mood, they were sharper mentally, and they performed better on their daily tasks. Here are some other high-protein snack options whenever you need a healthy snack. Greek yogurt with berries and nuts on top. Cottage cheese with fruit. Grass-fed beef jerky. Roasted chickpeas. Veggies dipped in hummus, and protein bars. All right, let's move on to tip number 2 for enhancing your protein routine. Keep seafood on hand. Canned seafood such as salmon, tuna, or crab is quick to prepare and enjoy. Canned items also store well. You can use them in salads, sandwiches, or pasta dishes for a quick and easy meal. Canned seafood is a great source of omega-3 fatty acids, which can help improve heart health and brain function. It's also a good source of protein, vitamins, and minerals, making it a healthy addition to any diet. Tip number 3 for enhancing your protein routine is to upgrade your salad. Adding animal protein to your salad is a great way to increase the nutrient content and keep you feeling full for longer. Grilled chicken or shrimp adds tasty protein to a salad of mixed greens. Chickpeas or black beans are delicious, budget-friendly options too. You can choose lean protein sources like turkey or fish and cook your protein with herbs and spices to add flavor without adding extra calories. Adding protein to your salad can help stabilize blood sugar levels and prevent cravings later. Speaking of cravings, I have a free online class where I teach you how to get rid of unhealthy food cravings for good without giving up your favorite foods, even if you've struggled with unhealthy food cravings for many years. In the class, I teach you how to identify the root cause of your unhealthy food cravings and how to get rid of them for good. You'll also learn how to use my proven method to reduce and replace unhealthy food cravings so that you can get healthy again and lose weight quickly. So if you want to sign up for my free class on food cravings, the link to this class is in the description box below. Tip number 4 is take it on the go. Pack a mixture of unsalted nuts and sunflower seeds for a crunchy snack. Add some dried fruit like raisins, cranberries, or chopped dates for a touch of sweetness. Nuts and seeds are a great source of protein, making them a great snack option for vegetarians and vegans. They're also high in fiber, which can help with digestion. Trail mix is a great option for when you're on the go. Whenever you're making your trail mix, choose unsalted nuts and seeds to reduce sodium intake. Add dried fruit for a natural sweetener instead of candy or chocolate chips. Add whole grain cereals for some extra fiber and crunch. And then mix and match different ingredients to keep things interesting and to get a variety of nutrients. Tip number 5 is to get creative with beans, peas, and lentils. Make chili or stews with kidney or pinto beans. Have a bowl of split pea soup for lunch or dinner, or enjoy lentils as a side dish. Beans, peas, and lentils are a great source of plant-based protein and fiber. You can add them to salads, soups, or stews for added protein and fiber. Use hummus or bean dip as a healthy alternative to mayo or cream cheese on sandwiches or as a dip for veggies. Make a curry with beans, peas, or lentils as the main protein source. Experiment with different varieties such as black beans, chickpeas, or split peas to keep things interesting and to get a variety of nutrients. Tip number 6 is to serve up lean beef. Broil lean beef cuts like sirloin, top round, or flank steak. When they're sliced into strips, they're great for having over greens or in a sandwich or as is. Lean beef is a great source of protein and other essential nutrients such as iron, which is important for healthy blood cells and energy levels. It's also a good source of vitamin B12, which is important for brain function and the nervous system. Lean beef contains biological valued protein, which is important for muscle growth and repair. All right, to recap, I just talked about 6 ways to enhance your protein routine. I made a handout with all of these tips listed in the handout, and to download this handout, all you need to do is click the link in the description box, and then you can download it right to your computer and print it out if necessary, or you can download it right to your phone. My name is Teresa. I help men and women transform their bodies through simple diet and lifestyle changes so that they can lose weight, eat without feeling guilty, and fit into their favorite clothes again. If you would like to have your own personal nutritionist to help you reach your health and lifestyle goals, then you are welcome to connect with me for a free consult and talk with me about a struggle you're having with your diet and lifestyle habits. We can explore some options that might be helpful for you, and I have a special link that is for anyone watching this video. So to sign up for the free consult, you just go to missnutrition.com/schedule. And then subscribe if you want to stay connected with me and see any new videos I post on nutrition, to learn how you can achieve your health and wellness goals for muscle gain and weight loss. And if you're a woman dealing with fertility issues, I also specialize in PCOS, endometriosis, and skin issues like acne. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in my next video.